Waihiga Mwaure wa kiama kia Agano etekirire kuhotwo na mbere ya kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC yanirire maumirira ma muthia ma githurano na guthukira urito munini wa President William Ruto. Na riu thutha wa muikariri giti wa kamiti ya IEBC Wafula Chebukati kwanirira William Ruto ta muhotani, Mwaure uria urarigirie na kura 31,987 nionekanite kuiganira na itua ria kamiti ya IEBC.
We Agano Party and Agano Agents team that was stationed at Bomas wish to heartily congratulate His Excellency Dr. William Samoei Ruto, the President-elect, on his win and declaration by the IEBC chairman and the returning officer of the presidential election as the 5th president of the republic.
Hamwe na uguo, Mwaure na wahinyiririe uhoti wa Ruto wa gukinyaniria ciiraniro iria akoretwo akihirira muingi.
We have no doubt that His Excellency's win was above board, both arithmetically, because it was supported by the votes, and in terms of conduct at election, as per the election laws and Chapter 6 of the Constitution of Kenya on leadership and integrity, his win was 100% mark.
Mbere ya muikariri giti wa IEBC anirire maumirira muthenya wa ira ni kurari na githagathago kiria kirambiririo ni amwe ya atongoria a ngwataniro ya Azimio la Umoja makiregana na mihango ya guthuri makura cia giturwa kia president, Mwaure agikomithia cieko ici.
Duly the chief agent of Agano Party, I took all the nights and the days in the turning center, National Turning Center, being sober, and was watching everything that was taking place on the floor. Our concerns is because we have to protect 53 million Kenyans. We don't want to put our nation into trouble.
We also condemn the acts of violence that we showed yesterday, and particularly acts of violence that were meted against the returning officer and the chairman of the IEBC. We are ready and willing to write statements with the DCI, my agents, and for me, the part I saw, and to be part of and oppose any petition to be filed against His Excellency Dr. William Samoei Ruto.